Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Madhusri and I am back with all of you guys and you are watching Madhusri's Creation. If you are new here and you are seeing this face for the first time, then let me tell you guys, I am Madhusri and please take a moment and click the red subscribe button underneath this video and also hit the bell icon to get notification every single time I post a new video. Oh, this being a long intro guys, and today I'm going to show you the most 5 or 6 Mamaearth products that you should try for yourself, because those are amazing and I have used them quite a bit. Not quite a bit, I have used them a lot and I have finished that bottles almost. So yeah, if you are interested then keep on watching. If you are wondering that how I created this look in front of all of you guys, then I will leave the link of this makeup tutorial in the description box below. You can check that out. So now let's get started. So the first magical product जो मैं magical product बोलती हूँ उसके पीछे भी reason है, because I love the product the most and the best ever product from Mamaearth has to be this face mask guys. This is the Mamaearth C3 face mask and trust me on that, if you are suffering from deep kinds of acne, if you are suffering from oily and tanned face, look no further, close your eyes, stop this video and go buy this one already, because this is amazing. I have used a lot of amount because सिर्फ मैं नहीं, मेरी बहन, मेरी मम्मी सब यूज करते हैं. उसके बाद भी you can see how much amount I'll have left with me. So ये मैंने 3-4 महीने के पहले मंगाई थी and I am using this till then, and हफ्ते में मैं 2 बार करके इसको लगाती हूँ. Look at my skin guys, मेरे पिंपल, मेरे मार्क्स सब फेड हो रहे हैं, क्योंकि फेड जो मतलब जो मार्क्स होते हैं उसको फेड करना is a task guys, trust me on that. But this face mask is just go and buy this. Next product has to be their body lotion or body butter range, because their body lotions are amazing. They hydrate your body properly, they give you optimum amount of hydration, and they are not that चिपचिपा. I am showing you guys. ये देखिए मैं इसको खत्म कर चुकी हूँ, नहीं निकल रहा है. Look at this. This is not at all chipchipa, but it melts on your skin like this. It absorbs into your skin like, and it gives a subtle glow. Look at this. It's amazing guys. If your skin is dry, your body skin is dry, go for this cocoa body lotion one. And if you want even skin tone, because कभी कभी होता है ना कि body में tanning हो जाती है, then you can use this one. This is the Mamaearth Upton body lotion. It's not that much thick. वो वाला थोड़ा thick था. It's not that much thick. It will give you even toned skin, I can guarantee, because मैं इसको भी बहुत दिनों से यूज कर रही हूँ. बट इसका ये सेकंड बॉटल है, वो तो खत्म हो गया. बस आई कैन शो यू द कंसिस्टेंसी. इट्स नॉट दैट थिक एंड नॉट दैट रनी. ये मीडियम इसमें आता है. एंड लेट मी जस्ट शो यू गाइज ओवर देयर. इट ऑल्सो गेट अब्सॉर्ब्ड इनटू योर स्किन वेरी क्विकली. Look at this. The next product should be this sunscreen guys, the Mamaearth ultra light Indian sunscreen with carrot seed and turmeric. इसमें paraben नहीं है, silicone नहीं है, dermatologically tested है, for Indian skin tone specifically. PA++ है. आज पता नहीं क्यों मैं इतना फंबल कर रही हूँ. PA++ है and SPF 50 है guys. If you have oily skin, if you have combination skin, go for this one, because it's not that oily, it's not chipchipa. You can wear it under your makeup and your makeup will become very smoother, because it's very good and creamy texture है. But ये कभी भी greasy नहीं है and जल्दी absorb हो जाता है. I can show you guys. I'm taking it in the back of my hands. आपको इतना ही अमाउंट में चाहिए होता है, ज्यादा नहीं चाहिए होती है. एंड जस्ट ये व्हाइट कास्ट नहीं छोड़ता. बहुत ही जल्दी एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है एंड एक हल्का सा ग्लो देता है. इट्स नॉट चिपचिपा. लुक एट दिस. Look at this. So yeah, the next product should be the Mamaearth charcoal face wash. I just don't have the bottle right here in front of me because I have finished that and I have ordered a new one and वो अभी तक आया नहीं है. And you know the Indian moms, खत्म हो गया तो फेंक दो उसको, इस काइंड ऑफ थिंग. सो अभी वो बॉटल मेरे साथ नहीं है, बट मैंने बहुत बार अपने चैनल पे दिखाया है कि हाउ गुड एंड हाउ ब्यूटीफुल अ फेस वॉश इज. इफ योर स्किन इज ड्राई, इफ योर स्किन इज ऑयली, इफ यू हैव एक्टिव एक्नेस, इफ योर स्किन इज सेंसिटिव, यू कैन यूज दैट फेस वॉश बिकॉज दैट इज अमेजिंग. बिकॉज वो बहुत ही अच्छे से क्लीन करता है आपके पोर्स को मिनिमाइज करने में थोड़ा बहुत हेल्प करता है, डीपली क्लीन करता है एंड इट विल ऑल्सो हेल्प you to reduce your pimples and acne for some extent. So आप उसको try कर सकते हो because वो बहुत ही अच्छा है. And I will leave the links of all these products in my description box so that you can check that out and you can buy that products. So yeah, the next product should be the hair oil, the onion hair oil. You can see how I abused this bottle, guys. I have used and abused this bottle. I mean, मैं इसको हर दिन यूज करती हूँ जब भी मैं शैम्पू करने जाती हूँ उसके पहले. अमेजिंग गाइज बिकॉज इट्स प्रमोट्स योर हेयर ग्रोथ एंड ये है ऑनियन ऑयल एंड ये हेयर फॉल कंट्रोल करता है. एंड ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दैट गाइज, ये सच्ची में हेयर फॉल थोड़ा बहुत कंट्रोल करता है बिकॉज कोई भी ऐसा ऑयल नहीं है इस दुनिया में जो आप लगाओगे और हेयर फॉल बंद हो जाएगा, ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है. बट इट विल हेल्प टू रिड्यूस योर हेयर फॉल टू सम एक्सटेंट. ये मिनरल ऑयल पैराबिन से फ्री है, डर्मेटोलॉजिकली टेस्टेड है फॉर ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ हेयर्स एंड इसका ये 250 ml का बॉटल आता है एंड इसका प्राइस अभी दिख नहीं रहा है मेरे को. आप देख सकते हो मैंने बॉटल का क्या हालत करके रखी है. सो all these products are very good and very affordable and you should try these products once in your life because you will not regret it. Trust me on that. And I will leave all the product links in the description box below so that you can check that out, and if you want to buy them you can click the link and you can buy that products. Okay, if you liked this video then please give it a big fat thumbs up and also comment down below what other videos you want me to do, and also share this video with all of your friends, your family members, because I think all should know about these products because these are really really good and I have tried and tested these products on myself from I think past 2-3 months and they are really good, they are really amazing. And yeah, I hope you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification every single time I post a new video. Lots of love guys, bye.